Working every day helping other lawyers is a great feeling. I mean, there's no negative side of that.
Well, I've used the phrase before that we're not selling insurance, we're selling relationships, and that's what we've attempted to do.
That relationship means that when Bob Smith calls me, I know who Bob Smith is. I've worked with him before. I can work with him again, and he and I have a personal relationship, if you will.
Knowing who's on the other end of the phone when you're calling over what generally is an unpleasant set of circumstances is probably the key to that long-term relationship that they've forged with their policyholders.
From day one, the way we administered claims in Lawyers Mutual was either through board members who were on our claims committee talking with them, or with lawyers that we retained in North Carolina that practiced law in North Carolina, that their office was here. And if you were in Goldsboro, North Carolina, you would probably be talking to a lawyer in Goldsboro or very nearby. And that just didn't happen with the commercial carriers, and it doesn't happen today.
So I think that that's part of what Lawyers Mutual brings to the table, is that the folks who in other communities do the kind of work we do in this area have similar experiences.
They've seen all of these issues and have an experience level of, this is what we do with this sort of case, these are the defenses, and that's a peace of mind that I don't think you get if you don't have this personal relationship, as Lawyers Mutual has with many of its insureds.
I get to help them understand that everything's going to be okay. We're going to work on this. I've seen this problem before, and I know how to get this matter repaired, how to get this resolved.
And that's been one of our strong points and cornerstones of our company, and that's how we handle claims and being available to talk one-on-one with lawyers when they have a claim.
And I think that's a real benefit for an insurance company, not just to be there to pay a claim, but to be there to listen, to provide customer service.
I know that they will always be there, and with all of the other variables and uncertainties in our law practice, I know that when the time comes for my annual renewal with Lawyers Mutual, that I will be able to remain insured for as long as I continue to practice, and that's really important to me. Unlike other forms of insurance that we might have within the firm, we don't shop this around. We know that it's the best product out there, we're comfortable with it, and we plan to stay with Lawyers Mutual forever.
We're there for you, and that you call on us and we'll take care of you. And that's what insurance really ought to be about anyway, always.